Hello everyone, welcome in a QuickBooks course. In this course, we will discussing a QuickBooks as an a cloud accounting system. A QuickBooks developed by Intuit company. Intuit company develop a lot of systems or electronic systems which related to small businesses. And when we're talking about QuickBooks, we have to say that all accountants which working nowadays have to have all the skills which enable them to deal with a QuickBooks in a right way. Why we talking about a QuickBooks? Actually, because there are a lot of advantages which related to applying or using a QuickBooks by the organization or especially in a small organization. The first step to deal with the QuickBooks is creating a new account in Intuit company. So you can access the website which related to QuickBooks by this link which will be in the description of this video. So after clicking this link, you will have that screen. As you see, this screen related to having a new account in Intuit company. So what are the data which required to make or to create the new account in Intuit? The first thing is email address. You have to enter your email address in this place. And also you have the accessibility to your email because you will receive a verification code on that email. So this is the first thing you should to be entered. The second, to make your password according to the criteria which indicated here. So the minimum of digits should be 8 characteristics or 8 characters, and it should be one of them use upper and lower case letter, use a number and symbol. If you don't meet all that criteria, you will not be able to follow to the next step. So this is the second thing you should to do in this screen. The third one is to identify your phone number. Before identifying your phone number, you have to choose your country first of all, and after that you have to complete your phone number. After that you have to click create an Intuit account. The second step to create your account is to go to this link to identify the account features which suitable to your company. And after clicking this link, you have this screen. You have to choose one from that choices available on a QuickBooks website. So we prefer to click here, try free in a plus version. The differences between that versions is related to the features which related to each one. So you have to choose this one to complete your recording. After choosing this one, you have to answer or to complete business information, your business information. So you have to answer that questions. The first one, what is the name of your business? So you have to choose your business and you have to write it. After that, you have to identify the type of your business, and you have to choose from the list which appear in the screen. After that, the third question is about your address, your country, and your detailed address should be filled in the screen. The fourth one is what is your business currency? You have to choose your currency. If you have USD, Jordanian dollar, shekel, or etc. What is the primary industry? You have to choose in which industry you are working. So what is the importance of this question? Later we will see that identifying the industry will directly related to the chart of accounts which suggested and generated from a QuickBooks system. So the alternatives available for to answer this question, it will be as a list in the screen. You have retail, construction, professional services, and healthcare, etc. So you have accurately choose the suitable industry to have a suitable uh, chart of accounts. After answering all the above questions, you will finally reach to a QuickBooks screen. So now we finished creation stage and we will move to the second stage or the next stage which related to making and preparing the settings which related to our system. Making settings is a very important stage and you should give special attention for it. Why? Because it considered as a system basics and you have to custom a QuickBooks according to your business needs and objectives. Now let's go to see how we can prepare all these settings required in QuickBooks. First of all, this icon called gear icon, and this part of the system called dashboard. We can perform settings either from gear icon or also from dashboards which related to menu settings. Let's go to gear icon and to see what is appear in that screen. Here, as you see, your company. So all the information or settings related to your company, it will be managed from that icons. So what we focused about the settings now is here we have to click about account and settings. Let's click. After we clicking about that uh, icon, we will see that details about our company. The first thing here is um, for unstable internet connection, we will stop till here and we will complete in the next tutorial. Thanks a lot.